Hello everyone. This week, rather than a tooltip, we are making an announcement to the market. So Anchor's latest tool design software, Toolroom RN35, has been released to market, and it will be displayed at all shows starting from now, which includes IMTS, AMB, DMP show in China, GIMTOF in Japan, and all other major shows. Customers can come in and get a free demo of RN35 software and its benefit. So the main benefits of RN35 is productivity, and which in turn gives more profitability to the customers. So there are several features, and one of the main feature is the feed rate optimization, which eliminates air time and also optimizes your feed rate based on the wheel Q prime value, and also gives you better surface finish because you have a controlled feed rate and there is no jerk movements or anything related to any of the grinding operations. There are several other features like improved user experience. Simulator, we have made several changes to the calculation times, dwell times, etc., and you get a much better performance now. Even your design time is reduced. The machine time, the cycle time is reduced because of the feed rate optimization and air time reduction. And there are several other benefits, and I would request you to come to IMTS in Chicago, AMB in Germany, and all other major shows to get a demo, and it's also available for customers to upgrade their machines from now on. Thank you, and hope to see you all at one of these shows.